Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Chevy Dude. Before I begin the content of this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn all your bell notifications on so you don't miss an upload. Most importantly, if you communicate or contact the Bachman Auto Group in any sort of fashion, make sure you tell them that I'm the reason you are here, and make sure that you ask for me so I can help you purchase your next car here at Bachman Auto Group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Behind me, the area here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Wow, I gotta say, what an amazing trip. A little bit different vlog than what I do here on the channel, but this was something so cool to me that I thought that I would share it with you guys. You guys inspire me to do so many things, and I hear these positive comments all the time that I've inspired you or I've changed your life, which is amazing that I'm a car salesman and I've changed anybody's life. But regardless, I wanted to share this with you. I'm out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Went to Pahrump, Nevada for a couple days for the Spring Mountain Resort. By the way, if you're a Corvette owner and you buy a Corvette, you gotta do the Spring Mountain Resort. So I came out here and I booked a normal room here at area. I want to make sure I make that very, very clear. I did not spend this type of money that I talked about in the title of this video. And they upgraded me to this Sky Suite. And if you can't see that, I'll throw a screenshot on the thing. $2,000 per night. I only stayed one night here, and I've got to say, wow, amazing. So I do my intros typically as I go through the video. Do my intro, do my video, do my outro. Well, I got here late last night, and I recorded all this content, and I'm out here this morning getting ready to leave, go back to the airport, go back to Louisville, Kentucky, so I can deliver and sell these amazing Corvettes and other Chevy products that I love representing. But without further ado, I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe for all my car content that I typically always do, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, so we're in the hotel. Let's head up to the room. The room is right around here. Beautiful, beautiful Christmas trees this time of year. High limit lounge, love that orange wall. But wait till you see what greets you right around this corner. Right around this corner is people standing. You see there's a guy right there. In order to get up there, you have to show him credentials to get on those elevators to go to the 28th floor. Let's head up. You also, which this isn't that big of a deal, this happens a lot, you also have to put your key card on there and hit the 28th floor. All right guys, here we are to the 28th floor here at the Area Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, I've already been down to the room to scope it out and kind of show you guys this video, but man, I'll tell you what, this place is amazing. Look at this. You can go left or right. We're gonna go right and check this out. This is all one big wall here, right? So here's a door. There's a door, and then right here is another door, and then we walk all the way down here. Look at this. This is probably 50 feet, maybe 75, 50 feet maybe, all the way down here to 2835. I think these are doorbells. Oh my God, there's a doorbell to this hotel suite. All right, so we are here. Let's go in. Wow. Couple cool artworks. You can kind of see the floor plan, how it's circled like that. Absolutely crazy. You walk in, and earlier I was here and I just threw my stuff down because I had to go somewhere. But I look over there and there's a bed. I look over there, holy crap, there's another bed. Look at all that over there. We're gonna get to this here in a second. But this is kind of like the middle living room, so to speak. I'm gonna show you the view out there. TV, there's a little iPad sitting here. It sits over there. They have a little workstation here that I'm gonna set my computer up and do some work there. Oh, hey guys. And let's go this way. So this is like the master bedroom, so to speak. Absolutely awesome. And I walked in here earlier. I don't know how this happened, but I walked in here earlier and those shades just started working. So I would imagine, yeah, hit that button right there and look at that. They just open up. Let's stop it. Doink, stop. I hit it again. open. They just open up on their own. Nice big TV there. Again, I'm gonna show you that view here in a second. Little phone right there. Good night. Yes, so that shuts all the lights off in here. Just nice and smooth. Oh my God, look at that view. It's amazing. We're gonna show you that here in a second. So we hit this button here, and I assume that turns it all on. Oh wait, oh my God. It's closing by itself because I told it good night. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. This is the bathroom. Where's the lights at in here? All right, so on, lights, there we go. This is the bathroom. So look, there's like 2 doors. So you can like close this. It's nuts. So big tub, looks like it's got like jets and stuff down in there. A lot of, you know, commodities or whatever, hygiene stuff. And then like they have a scale over here, the windows, double sinks, remote control for a TV in here. Really, really awesome. This is a closet in here. Got a couple robes and other stuff, safe. I don't know what this stuff is. I didn't look at that. Ironing board, all that good stuff. And then shower. Let's look in the shower. Got a light in there. You can turn that on, I assume. Oh my God, what is this? Oh, this is a steam shower. Oh my gosh, I've never used a steam shower before. And then, not that I really want to show the toilet, but oh my God, this toilet seat is heated. Yes, this right here is warm right now. And when you cover this up right here, it's got a blow dryer and rear cleansing and front cleansing. You can oscillate it, different pressures. This is absolutely crazy. So if I hit this, and I'm gonna try to hit this with the camera, that's the dryer. It is like it's warm right there. That is absolutely insane and crazy. Oh, like you do this. And I have not used that. Have not used that at all. Let's go over here. And this is like the kitchen. There's another bathroom there. That's absolutely insane. Turn this on. I haven't been in here. Oh, look at this. This is weak. You don't have a heated or blow drying bidet type toilet seat in here. This is worthless. This is absolutely worthless suite here at the area. So the little bar here, another TV, a Keurig over there. So here's a question for you guys. You know, all this stuff is always expensive, and it's actually on the iPad that I showed you earlier. And I'm a huge Fiji water fan. I love Fiji. How much do you think this bottle of Fiji water is? I'll show you that here in a second. How much do you think a bottle of Fiji water here is in the Sky Suites at the area hotel? So a full table, right? Was it 2, 4, 6, 8 place settings? And you know, I didn't look in here. I said place settings. Oh no, there's nothing in there. I was like, I didn't know if these opened. Oh wait, that opens. Oh, this one opens. Nope, nothing in there. I didn't know if like they had like place settings that you could have dinner and stuff. I guess there's nothing in there. You do room service, right, when you're in this place. T-Mobile Arena's over there. I'm gonna show that to you here in a second. Another nice painting, some artwork. And then let's head in here. There's actually 2 beds in here, another TV, a vase, just absolutely crazy. This is pretty much the same as the other one, just not as big. So you can see it's got that same garden style tub, just a single sink, toilet, shower over there. Did that other shower be like, it had that frost on it. So this one doesn't have a frost on it. That's interesting. So same type of closet in here, the safe, the robes. You got the ironing board. I don't even know what these are. I don't know what those are. So really, really interesting suite. And I do have to tell you this. I did not pay for this suite. The company did not pay for this suite. Bachman Chevrolet did not pay for this suite. When I came in here, I had to book last minute. I did spend way too much money because AWS is here, and AWS is Amazon, and they have pretty much everything booked out in Vegas, and I leave really early in the morning. So area hotel sat here and put this, just gave me this room, upgrade free, right? $2,000 a night, $2,000 a night. So let me share with you the view. I'm gonna shut all these lights off in here. Just shut them off, and look at this view. Absolutely amazing. The pools are down there. T-Mobile Arena is down there. Hold on, let's go over to this room and this room, and I'll show you how you shut those lights off. Right here, good night, right? Let's just hit reading, because if I do good night, it'll shut those off, or shut those. Is this got a little light switch? Oh, this has actually got a real light switch. All right, so here we go. This is a little bit better. T-Mobile Arena is right there. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing arena. I've never been in there. Never been in there. The pools, I was just kind of showing you that. Absolutely amazing down there. I'm on the 28th floor. There's Rio over there. Some suites or hotels, or I don't know what those are over there. I won't zoom in. Who knows what's going on over there? Parking garage, Park MGM. I've never even heard of Park MGM. I've been to Vegas a lot. Oh, over there, it's hard to see, but that big black thing, that's where the Raiders are gonna play. So that's the Raider Stadium. It's amazing watching that come together over the last couple of years. I think they're spending like $1 billion or something on that. So this is that suite, and let's get to this right here. How much is this? Let me turn these lights on, and it's all on that iPad. All right, so when you come in here, you start looking at a lot of different things, and I think it was in in-room experiences, and then nope, it wasn't in there. It was in property amenities. Where's this at? Restaurants and bars. I know it's not there. Games, guest services. Yes, mini bar menu right there. So let's just go down to beverages. Okay, so here's a Seagram's Club Soda. Can you see that? There you go. And that is $13.75. A Coca-Cola is $12. So what do you think that Fiji water? Now Fiji water, that big bottle is like maybe $5 at the gas station. Fiji water, $24.75. Can you believe that? $24.75 for a bottle of Fiji water. Hey, real quick, next day, I told you, doesn't take long. Less than probably a 10-minute walk from my room, $3.19. I don't think I'll ever be inconvenienced that much to take a 10-minute walk each way, 20 minutes, and get some exercise and whatnot to pay that 20 some odd dollars for a water. Ain't gonna happen. So I just got done telling you the price of this water, and while I was in there, this tech kit, Type-C male-to-male cable, USB Type-C charger, car charger, USB 2.0 hub 4-port, universal USB charger cable, lightning to headphone jack adapter, MP3 earbuds, has all of that. $85, I do believe, is what that said in there. I think these chips were like $12, and these chips are, where does it say? 3 ounces of chips. Cashews, man, these are fancy. I think these are like $12. Absolutely insane. Wow, I am so glad out of habit that I did not just open that bottle of water up and have a $25 bottle of water. Wow, that is mind-blowing. And I don't understand, like, even if I was like a millionaire, right? If I was a millionaire and just had unlimited money, I still couldn't fathom, like, spending $25 on a bottle of water. It's just, I mean, I understand the convenience of it, right? I get the convenience, but I'm not that bothered to go somewhere or bring my own to get a bottle of water, right? I love walking around. You love going to do things, but I don't need to spend $25 on a bottle of water. All right, guys. Well, I need to go get a bite to eat. I need to get to bed so I can fly back to Louisville tomorrow. And I just wanted to share you this. This is crazy. $2,000 a night. I could never, ever, ever spend that amount of money on a hotel room. But I thought it was just interesting to show you what this looks like. Maybe you've never seen something like that. Maybe you've seen it like on Rich and Famous things or MTV Cribs or whatever, but I just thought it'd be interesting to show you what I saw out here at the Corvette event. Guys, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day and drive safely.